day everyone, I'm Michelle Verago from BTL A2A. This video will discuss all about tools and equipment and refrigeration and air conditioning. The first tool was hoses. Hose is a synthetic rubber with high resistance to refrigerant and low flammability. This is also used to refrigerant gas loads. This is also a reinforced through a brazing of high resistance. The second one is weighing scale. Weighing scale is a measuring device which used to measure the weight of a refrigerant cylinder. It is help you precisely measure much of a certain refrigerant system. Next one is toolkits for press fittings. Toolkits means as a set of different kit of tools that placed in one kit. It is mostly used if the area was too small. The tools inside the kit allows to repair leaks of all types of plumbing pipes in tight space. The next one is a non-metallic abrasive pads. Non-metallic abrasive pad is one of the cleaning tools, which made from natural abrasive or synthetic abrasive materials. Abrasive means it is a hard surface. It is also used to both grades of technological industries and domestic application. Next one is phosphorus brazing alloy or called brazing alloy in flux. It is widely used for the joining of copper to copper, which the flux is major benefit. From the word flux, it had a self-flux action of the phosphorus ensured that flux entrapment avoided and that high in standard of joint soundness can be maintained. Next one is pipe bending tools. From the words bending tool, it is used to bending piping materials such as copper and stainless. It is also from various angles and curves. Next one is engineer square. Engineer square is one of measuring device which is used to metal in woodworking. So it is similar to tri-square. It is a handheld checking tool used to access angles and mark straight line. Next one is recovery and recycling unit. It is a self-containment equipment capable of refrigerant recovery. By means of refrigerant recovery, it is used to recover refrigerant. Vacuum gauge is one of measuring tools which is used to measure pressure lower than the ambient atmospheric pressure. Vacuum pump, which is remove air gas molecule from a sealed volume. Oxyacetylene torque set, it is the main fuel in combination with oxygen to generate the highest combustion temperature. It is also a heat source for metal forming, presentation, and localized heat treating. Electronic leak detector. From the word leak detector, it is detect the leak of refrigerant which applied the infrared lights. And the last one is calibrated leak detector, which is designed to permanent and known amount of helium gas. That's all for today. Thank you and God bless everyone. Enjoy your vacation. From BTL A2A, I'm Verago Michelle.